harder. There you go.
No. Keep going.
Well, that was the best minute of my life.
You're dizzy. You spun like twice. Done.
What could this be?
Yes.
No, I don't actually. I couldn't pull it up.
Yummy. I want one right now.
Oh, hell yeah.
There you go. More candy?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
Family Feud. Heck yes.
Selfie stick.
No. It's more than a selfie stick.
Another tripod.
So like if you're walking around, you don't have to like hold your camera out off.
Or does it have a Bluetooth remote?
So you can succeed.
Which one do you want?
Whatever you want to give me, baby.
I don't know which one's which. I don't know which one.
Which one's ours? Yeah, sure. You're a good rapper.
You got it yourself.
This one was the easier one. The bigger gifts are always easier.
Well, yours.
See your game. Awesome! You made it. This is the best one I've seen.
Oh.
Oh, that was gonna roll. Look at that. exactly what I need. Thank you.
I like the bag.
Is it the one you wanted? I had to double check when I got it, make sure it's the right size. Cozy? They have one left in stock at Bedford. Amazon. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much.
You want to open your big one?
You got yours.
That's like a big one.
Phone in the middle.
Okay.
What is this? Is it what I think it is?
I don't know what you think it is.
Is it a desk?
Oh yeah, you're never gonna be able to tell what it is. It's a desk.
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Thank you.
You're welcome. Is it a golf club?
It looks like it.
Wow.
It's a 60-degree wedge. Oh. He was listening the last time we were playing. Thank you very much. That's awesome.
McDonald's.
Hey.
Oh, McDonald's, dude.
I know you got me. Yay! I don't like that new stuff I got.
What is this?
What is it? What is it?
You know those times when you get up at night and you want to go to the bathroom
I used to have one of these.
and you're like, oh my god, where the hell is the toilet? I do not want to sit down.
It's a light for the toilet.
It's a light inside the toilet.
Yes. I used to have one of those at my dad's.
Are you gonna put that on your toilet?
Yes.
Yeah. Why not? We'll light it up.
Sorry, I got some.